My name is Linda Bhreathnach. I play Roise in Ros Na Run. Roise's life's been a little bit of turmoil of late, but hopefully things will quieten down for her in the future, and maybe there might be a little bit of romance on the horizon. I started just after I did my leaving cert in the year 2000, and I felt pretty nervous, but mostly really excited on my first day because I wanted to be an actress for as long as I could remember, and I was just so thrilled that somebody was actually going to pay me to do something which I thought was just like the best thing in the world that a person could possibly do. So pretty good. I felt pretty good on my first day. Ros Na Run now without my brother Donnacha, it's for me, not as much fun and not as lively because I guess we spent so much time together and did so many scenes together and became very close friends. And it's sad, I think, sometimes for Roise and for Vince that they don't have Rihanna and Donnacha around them, their family members. But I guess that's just the way it goes, that's the way the storyline went. I don't know, I guess we're not too much alike. She does some pretty mental things. She doesn't really have too much confidence in herself, and she goes a bit mental sometimes on the sauce and everything like that, and we dress very differently. I suppose we're obviously going to have some similar traits as most humans do, but whether we're very alike, I don't really think so. I like Roise though. I think that if she was an actual person outside of myself, I'd probably get along okay with her. I guess the storylines with the court case, Donnacha's suicide and everything, that was gave us a chance to act and everything like that. But I suppose years ago, one of the biggest storylines I had was where my character gets pregnant and then gets into an argument with her sister, and her sister pushed her downstairs and she loses her baby. I think that was one of the first times at a sort of younger age where I had to really kind of call on certain emotions, you know, and it was quite dramatic stuff. I suppose that would have been probably one of my favourite storylines that I had to do. Sometimes scenes can be difficult to shoot, particularly if whatever your role you're supposed to be playing is very different to how you're feeling that day. Like if you're feeling really, really elated and all of a sudden you have to be really depressed and you have to cry. That can be difficult, but once you're around other people that are committed to the scene and committed to getting the job done and taking it seriously, generally you'll get into the swing of things. But yeah, it can be difficult. Dancing can be difficult because it's awkward and you just feel awkward, like on a Monday morning being drunk and dancing around your workmates. So you kind of have to get over yourself a little bit before you can do those scenes. So that's it from me, but if you have any more questions for me or for any other members of the cast or the crew, you can just go onto the Ros Na Run website, which you'll find at www.rosnarun.com.